Organizing everyday chores can help make your life more efficient and less stressful. Here are some steps you can take to organize your everyday chores. Make a list. Start by making a list of all the tasks you need to complete each day. This can include everything from making your bed in the morning to doing the dishes at night. Prioritize. Once you have your list, prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Some tasks may need to be done immediately, while others can wait until later in the day. Create a schedule. Create a schedule for your day, including specific times for each task. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you have enough time to complete everything. Use reminders. If you're prone to forgetting tasks, set reminders on your phone or computer to remind you when it's time to complete a specific task. Delegate. If you live with others, delegate tasks to ensure that everyone shares the workload. This can include assigning chores to children or asking your partner to help with household tasks. Be flexible. It's important to be flexible with your schedule and tasks. Sometimes unexpected events may arise, and you may need to adjust your schedule to accommodate them. Reflect and adjust. At the end of the day, reflect on what you've accomplished and adjust your schedule and tasks as needed for the next day. By following these steps, you can create an organized routine for your everyday chores, which can help make your life more manageable and less stressful.